Okay. Surprise unboxing from Brawn and Ginger, addressed to Becky. So let's see what it is. We don't remember. Hatch. Lance, thanks again for your patience with that whole shipping fiasco. Enjoy this Hank and patch as my way of saying thank you. Kody, wow, thank you so much, man. We appreciate it. That is a killer patch. And then let's see this crazy Hank that he sent us. Someday, dude, you gotta meet for a beer. Oh, there we go. That is amazing folding, dude. That's awesome. And for my last trick, I will not try to solve that. To keep me looking amazing, please wash me in cold water with a mild detergent and lay flat to dry. To set me straight, a hot iron works best. Brawn and Ginger, Kody and Ashley. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it. So yellow on one side.
That's fun.
Look at those beautiful colors. Thank you, guys. We would really appreciate it. God bless.